वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना साजिद जावेद ने कबल अज़ वक्त इंतख़ाबात को ज़रूरी करार दे दिया। कहते हैं हम मुआहिदे के साथ यूरोपीय यूनियन से इनखला के ख्वाहिशमंद हैं। हम ऐसी पोजीशन पर आ गए हैं जहां जनरल इलेक्शन लाजिम है। हमें अवाम को फैसले का हक देना होगा। उनका मजीद क्या कहना था, आइए देखते हैं।
I think what we've seen in Parliament will be upsetting to many people when they are looking to Parliament to deliver on their decision more than 3 years ago to leave the EU. Now, this government is absolutely committed. We will leave the EU on October the 31st. We want to do that with a deal. We're working hard on a deal, but if we can't get one, we'll do it without a deal. But yesterday in Parliament, we saw parliamentarians led by the opposition trying to basically get us to surrender to Brussels and hand over the keys of the negotiation to Brussels, asking them what they want us to do next, which is no one would really understand that sitting at home. We need to negotiate on behalf of Britain and get the best deal. So, unfortunately, I think we've got to a position where we have to have a general election because we need to let the British people decide. This paralysis in Parliament cannot continue.